Beautiful one bedroom in Rego Park. This is entrance. A large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceilings, got a lot of lights during the day. Got two closets here on living room. On the left, a kitchen. It's an eating kitchen. It's got a lot of cabinets. Beautiful floors, more cabinets here. A little table here. It's got a window here. A lot of kind of space in the kitchen. Living room. On the left is the bathroom here. It's got windows, beautiful tiles, very clean, nicely renovated. This is the bedroom here. Also beautiful shiny floors, hardwood. Got two windows. It's got two closets, walk-in closets. Another one here. Very nice apartment. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.